I didn't even see you there. My backdrop isn't quite wide enough now, is it? You can't see anything there. Anyway, I keep looking at the wrong end. Okay. Hey, Sparkle Pals. I got a lot of new stuff. But it was in my budget. It's funny when I lie. I got the new Urban Decay Brow Blade. So I just wanted to try it out and do a quick little video so I can show you how it works. All right, it doesn't have a spoolie, so I'm just gonna grab another one. Don't mind my acne. Good news, acne doesn't go away in your 40s. Actually, I had perfect skin when I was young. Now I'm a wrinkled, zitty mess. Okay, all right. I think I'm gonna start with the pencil end. It's a very fine tip pencil. Ooh, you so fine. This one's brown sugar, this color, if you care. So, then I'm gonna go in with the felt tip pen after this and define it a little more. Okay, now let's try this felt tip pen and see what this is all about. If I could draw a straight line, that would be helpful. Cool. Cool. That is so cool. Yep. Okay, yeah, I really like it. That's my official opinion. Now let me just clean it up. And there you have it. Eyebrows a la Sparkles. One little thing I like to add. I got it cheap on Sephora because it must not sell. It's a brow gel with like a sparkly gold highlight. It doesn't do a whole lot, you know, but I sparkle whenever I can. And that's it.